Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing good. This is about the knit dress that I have made already. I think you may have seen the short video about this one. This is the full tutorial. This and I'm showing you how I made this one. So I am just making the tracing of the my same pattern of another knit garment. This is how I'm marking, leaving the half an inch seam allowance all around up to waistline. And this is how I made the back panel, marking the middle and keep aside. Now it's the front part, and it is the same block. You just cut it off around the block. Now just make the shape you want. Marking the middle, and now it's making the bottom part, and you just cut it off the hanging parts of the skirt and removing all the selvage parts. Separate both front and back panels, marking the middle, and here I am marking the upper part because other side is not equal length, so I will be making the equal length later. Now it's sewing the shoulders. After you make the shoulders, this is your neck area, and I'm making the gathering for the skirt part with the gathering foot. Here I'm just shortening my shoulders because I just wanted to make a bit close to my neckline, so I'm making about 3.5 inches from both sides. Shaping up. Let's check the length of bodies, length and the skirt part at the waist. Bodies is longer than the waist of the skirt. Now marking the middle of the skirt part, and as well as on the bodies as well. And doing the pinning at the edge of the fabrics as well, and again find the middle of both parts. What I'm going to do is just going to make the stretching evenly. That's why I'm doing like this. And get the unpicker now and unpick evenly in each section, then you can stretch nicely. And it's now neckband. Measure around the neck. It's 25 centimeters, and here I'm not adding any seam allowances as it is a stretch fabric. Just using the same centimeters to make the neckband. For the neckband height, seam allowances are 1 inch, and for the neckband it's 1.5 inches altogether, all 2.5 inches wide. Here is my neckband, and I joined both ends. Other two straps are for sleeves. Those are 2 inches wide. Now make the stay stitch around the tube. Here it is. Now mark the middle of the tube by folding at the seam, and again fold from that points. Then you have equal length 4 points. Same thing doing for the neck as well, folding from one seam and find the other end to make the equal portion. So altogether 4 markings on the neck as well. And find all the markings together and pin it first. As you can see, my neckband is smaller than the neckline. This is how I'm making my neckbands. When I'm making the self fabric neckband, then it stays nicely like you're wearing a flat knit collar t-shirt. Like that. And here I'm using my All Good Friend zigzag stitch, and use little bit relaxed stitch as well. Here I have done my neckband. And I tried it, it stays nicely. Now it's my sleeve band, doing the same thing, and not doing this stay stitch at this moment. Here we go, I have done my neck bands and sleeve bands as well. Now I got to trim off the excess seam allowances from the neckline, otherwise it says bulky. Now is the elastic attachment at the waist. Here I am just adjusting my elastic. It's depend on the what elastic you are using actually. So that's why I'm making like this. So I end up with 12 inches and altogether to 24 inches all around. And secure it from both ends, and again find the half of the elastics from both sides. Here also you can mark 4 markings around it, but for this attachment I am just using the 2 markings only. Stitching down just below the waistline. Now on my twin needles, going to finish my hem. I'm making a 3/4 inch wide hem. Make sure you use straight stitches. And this is just a fabric stripe about 2 inches wide for my string at the waist. All done, all finished now. Drawstring in the waist. And side seam and the hem stitches inside. As you can see, I attached velvet inside back neck tape as well, and all overlock inside, and all finished, good to go. Try yourself, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you feel you learned something from this video, just give it a thumbs up, which motivates me to do more videos like this. And subscribe this channel, then you can watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.